First, make sure you have all the components you want to nest arranged on your Lightburn workspace. Next, draw a rectangle to match the size of the material you'll be using. This will act as the boundary for your nested parts. Once that's ready, select everything on the screen, including the rectangle you just drew. Now, head to the Arrange menu at the top of the screen and choose Nest Selected. Lightburn will automatically open a new browser window for SVG Nest, where it will save your selected parts as an SVG file in your Downloads folder. In SVG Nest, select the rectangle as the boundary for your nesting. Then, click on the Settings icon to fine-tune your nesting parameters. For example, you might set a 10mm spacing between parts to ensure proper clearance. When you're happy with the settings, click Start Nest. The system will automatically arrange your parts for maximum material efficiency. Once you're satisfied with the results, hit Stop Nest and download the nested SVG file. Finally, return to Lightburn, click OK when prompted, and select your newly nested SVG from the Downloads folder to load it back into your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully nested your parts in Lightburn. Thanks for watching this quick guide. Stay tuned for more helpful laser cutting tips.